Okay, this is Evan Major, and I am going into the woods for the first time, and yeah, I live in the city. Yeah, I just gotta poop right now. Man, so bad. I'll just go poop over that tree. Over that tree. What the heck? Hello? Anyone there? Oh my god. I just grabbed my pants. Oh, I just grabbed my pants. Oh, Mummy, I gotta take a poo. Mummy, oh yeah, I already did. Oh, Mummy, oh, I gotta go to Hogwarts. Where's Hogwarts? I was just in the class with Professor McGonagall. Oh, where's Harry Potter? Where is he? Oh, where is he? Oh! That's Draco Malfoy! Oh.